So now that I mentioned that, I'm going kind of fast here because I want to do like ask questions and we can practice. The workflow for cleaning the data. The first step is to inspect, as I said, detect any anomalies in the data. The step is correct those anomalies. And in this case, when I say correct anomalies, includes deleting data points. That's correcting too. Verifying, it's going back to inspection. So you are going to inspect your new data set the same way and look for errors that you might forgot about so that you can ensure that you have cleaner data. And going to say the most important part is to document it. Record any changes you do to your data. If you deleted one data point because it was not making any sense at all, you have to write down the reason why you remove it, where it was located, or if you replace it with a new value, what was your reasoning behind it. That's going to, if you're doing research, it's going to make your research more clear, and it's going to help other scientists or other people who wants to continue your work to not waste time redoing like data, because they might want to use the same data that you did, but they are not able to replicate your results.